How to fix Far Cry 6 low amount of available VRAM issue on Windows 11 10s. To fix Far Cry 6 low amount of available VRAM issue, try these steps. 1. Ensure your PC has enough VRAM. If not, run WTM to terminate some unused apps or services. 2. Lower the quality settings of the Far Cry 6 game. 3. Lose Far Cry 6 and restart Ubisoft Connect. 4. Restart your PC and launch the Far Cry 6 app again. 5. Disable notification and in-game overlay. Hint: uncheck enable in-game overlay for supported games in general, uncheck enable in-game notifications and enable desktop notifications in the notification tab. 6. Turn off HD texture pack, uninstall HD texture pack. 7. Uninstall HD texture pack from Ubisoft Connect. 8. Play Far Cry 6 in Go Offline mode. 9. Remove existing graphics driver, and reinstall it using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.